Strategic affairs analyst, author, and TV commentator Maroof Raza died on February 26th. He was 66. He was considered one of India's most trusted voices on defense and security matters. A former major in the Indian Army, Raza had direct experience in counter-insurgency operations. That ground-level exposure shaped his later work as a military and strategic commentator. He frequently appeared on channels such as Times Now, NDTV, and BBC. Over time, he emerged as a sought-after speaker on national and global security risks. On television debates, he was known for precise analysis and a firm understanding of India's military posture and its strained ties with Pakistan. Born in 1959, Raza studied at St. Stephen's College, Delhi. He earned a master's degree in war studies from King's College, London, and later completed an MPhil in international relations from University of Cambridge. In 1994, he was awarded the Times of India Fellowship. He held visiting fellowships at the Centre for Policy Research and the Henry L. Stimson Centre, and also at King's College, London. From 1998 to 2007, he served as visiting professor and regional director for South Asia at Middlesex University. Raza wrote Low-Intensity Conflicts, The New Dimension to India's Military Commitments and Wars and No Peace over Kashmir. He edited Generals and Governments in India and Pakistan and later Confronting Terrorism. As general editor of the Military Affairs series at Har Anand Publications, he oversaw 12 volumes. Condolences poured in on social media with colleagues describing him as a steady and authoritative voice on India's security concerns.